Who you know, who you know. Hey, hey. It's Monday night. I'm actually about to go ahead and wrap my hair up using this is not the overnight blowout. I feel like that whole set it's very nice. However, to me, all it really is this Flexi Rods that has like 2 little pieces. Now I have Flexi Rods in the closet. I've done my hair with that before, and then I got these on Shein. Like they had their own little, you know, Shein gonna dupe something up real bad. So I got these on Shein. But these ones are not. These are foam. I know these are foam. This is foam because the Flexi Rods that I have in there actually like they form. So my hair was actually like very, very full today. I mean, it's still extremely full. You know, it's still extremely full. I still have a lot of body, but I was sitting at my desk, my vanity, just like combing the curls out because I didn't want it as voluminous anymore. I did like it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And this is the Yummy Extensions. This is the Loud Wavy. So it's a very full. Very full. I have in all four bundles, very full. I did my own install, so I had my mother-in-law do my braid down because, babes, I braid slow as hell. I cannot braid fast at all, and I hate braiding. I hate braiding. So, and I'm glad that I did that because, y'all, for me to do my own sewing, it took forever. Listen, I don't think I'm gonna do that again. I always say that, and then I'm like, oh, I have time. I was so tired and exhausted. But anyway, I actually want to go ahead and kind of like wipe some of my makeup off. I don't have any makeup wipes or anything, so my face is oily right now, so I'm just gonna do this and just like off the forehead because I don't want to curl. I don't want to put the rods on and it's still like, because it falls on my forehead a little bit. So let me just wipe my makeup off, at least off the forehead. Might as well wipe the eyebrows off too. For the sewing, I did glue. So like I took one track right here. So this track right here is glued down. And I put like just a little bit of glue, so I already know I'm probably gonna have to re-glue it at some point, but that's okay. I'm gonna wait until it's like falling off the bone before I do that. I actually have these green ones and then these purple ones. So the green one and then this purple one is a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna show y'all the difference. So this one, I'm not sure the diameter, but the bigger, you know, the bigger the Flexi Rod, the looser your curl is going to be, and I don't want them to be that loose. Like, I want a curl, especially being as though I'm not using heat to recurl these. Like, I'm doing heatless curls all week. So this one right here is bigger than this one. This would give you like a body wave, like a true body wave. This is a 10 and, oh, this is 1 1/4 Flexi Rod. So this is for extra large twist. I don't want that. So, do I? No, I don't want that. Isn't this? No, I don't think I want that. I'm gonna do the 3 parts. You can do as many as you want, but I'm gonna do 3. I'm gonna do the 3. So I just part my hair down the side right here. And you're gonna curl under. So I'm gonna take my Flexi Rod and just put it right here, and I'm gonna just bring it out a little bit. That way I can give myself some room to tuck this piece. I know it's a little bit dark because of my background, but who's texting me? I'm gonna just do this, and then as I'm tucking that piece, when I go to wrap it, I'm gonna just roll over it. So I'm using my thumb to hold it in place so it doesn't come undone. Like this, and then you just bend it in. And the reason why I like the Flexi Rod instead of that little Shein one I bought is because, like I said, when you squeeze it like this, it locks in. This is not, this is like just regular, like you see how it doesn't have any, it doesn't hold its shape. This is like true cheap ass styrofoam. It did the job last night, but still, I like when it feels more secure. So there's this one, and then I'm gonna do, I could do just like one in the middle and then one at the bottom, but I want my curls just a little bit tighter, so I'm gonna separate it. I don't want them that tight, so I'm gonna just do the two. So I got this much hair. You could clip the bottom away if it's like in your way. It doesn't bother me, I'm used to it. So just comb your hair. Everyone doesn't comb their hair, but I like to, just for even distribution. That's all. So we right here with it. Let me pull all the hair that way you can see. We right here with it. I know it's black. And then I'm gonna take another green one. This is the green one. And I'm going to pull it back some. Or you could pull it up, but do the same thing. You're curling forward. So wrap the hair. Hold my finger on it on the end. That way it stays there until I get a good roll right there. So right here. And then I just keep on rolling until it's tight and secure enough for me. But actually, this has to be tucked this way. I'm like, I know something's wrong. And then, okay. And this is a sew, y'all. This is not a quick weave, so I'm not worried about pulling any of the tracks like off. So I could be a little more rough with these. And then this one, because I don't really have any layers down here, you know, the bottom is always like a little more loose. I'm gonna put two. I think I have enough for two. Boom, boom. Okay. And we're gonna comb this one. And I'm still gonna roll up. It's just gonna be in two. It's a little bit harder because I'm all the way back here, but just try to like pull it out. Wrap the end until you're close enough to your head where you could just start rolling it. Hold it with your thumb or a finger. And you want to roll it tight to make sure the hair stays in place. All right, don't be looking at my kitchen. You know, y'all, I don't know what the back of my sewing looks like, but that's nobody's business but mine. Okay, now we're on to this one. Now this side I could just kind of, because I don't want it to end up rolling to the side. Let me just do exactly how I did this side. I'm like hoping y'all can see me. I'm just rolling it tight. Really tight. All right, so we have all of our flexi rods in. I have in 4. 1, 2. This one look a little crooked. That's it, girl. That is it. I'm gonna come back to y'all in the morning and actually show you guys what it looks like when I take it down. So we're gonna go ahead and just use this scarf. Let me show y'all. It's given, is that 80s when they used to have like the little bonnets on? I think that was the 80s. So we're gonna just tie it right here. I mean, they do have the little cute ones for the, you know, people that want to go outside in it, but I'm in the house, so I put it on like this, and then I also put another bonnet over top. Hey y'all, good morning, happy Tuesday. So I'm on my way to work. I'm about to go ahead and take this bonnet off and take the curls down from what we did last night. So, ooh, okay. Then came halfway down already. All right, I'm gonna start off in the back. Normally I do the front and then I can't see, so it's like, let me just start off in the back. So we're gonna take down, so you're just gonna open it up and just unroll it a little and just let it fall out like that. Unroll it. let it fall out. See, and for whatever reason, this one, like, although it's curled up, it's curling inwards. I don't really like that. And then this one is like, I don't. And the last one. Okay, that's what we looking like. And then we just gotta flip it back. Flip it back. Oh, flip it back. I'm just gonna hold my hand right here because I told y'all the track that I put at the top is glued. And I don't want it to like, but absolutely beautiful. And I did not even, you guys saw how I had combed my hair out last night and it was kind of like a loose wave. Absolutely gorgeous. I do need to cut this net right here. It's still a little bit of net, but I'm gonna do that later because I'm headed out to work. But yes ma'am. I just love how curly it is. And y'all, if you don't want your curls this tight, and I know like because I have on a black shirt, let me drop it so y'all can see. I know I have on a black shirt, so it's hard to tell, and I've just been wearing a lot of black lately, so I really apologize. But you guys, look, you see how those curls are? Like, who, you know, stop playing with me. Are you kidding me? This is just so gorgeous. It's just giving like bombshell Victoria's Secret hair. I didn't even comb my hair. I'm gonna use a comb just to like for this piece, because for whatever reason, even yesterday that piece just kept sticking up, kept sticking up. But I love this. It's giving like vixen hair. I don't know, but I love it. Any layers in the back, so the back is not going to be as curled in the middle. But do you see how like bouncy? Yummy Extensions Loud can do no wrong. Like, you do not need heat. I didn't put any hairspray. I didn't put any product in this hair. Like, when I'm telling y'all nothing, I have not put anything. Like, I have not put anything except for my hands, these, who you know, hey, hey. All right, y'all, I'm running late to work. Let me get out of here. I only keep moving my hair because it is stuck to my lip gloss, but your girl is feeling herself. I'm out the dough. I'll talk to y'all later.